back to the problem. Y naught plus V y in the initial times time plus 1/2 AT squared. Do we have Y final?
Yes.
Do we have Y initial?
Yes.
Just 4.
This is where it gets kind of legit. What's V naught in the Y direction?
Sine theta V1.
Oh, don't forget the negative.
Negative.
It's negative sine theta times V1, V naught, plus, oh, sorry, times T. What's time?
Time is
X
x over.
cosine theta over V. Or theta times V.
I'm just going to leave these as, so we know them, we know what they are. Where are we? 1/2 A. Do we know acceleration?
Negative 9.8.
Okay. And then time? T squared?
It's just the same thing, so,
Yeah.
but square.
That's ugly.
It's ugly. Yeah, it's ugly. Squared. Yeah, totally. But it's beautiful because we know what that is, that is, that is, that is, and that is. We have one unknown. And the rule of math is you have to have as many equations as you have unknowns. Since we have one equation and one unknown, we can solve for what the velocity is. And if you put the numbers in and simplify it to come out to be something nicer, you just put it in your quadratic formula solver and solver it up.
Ooh, question while we're talking
Yeah.
about calculators and stuff. Do you highly recommend having a graphing calculator for physics tests?
Yeah. Oh, they take home
I
or
got the
testing
TI,
center?
I have this, wait, is this your calculator or mine?
That's mine.
I have the TI-36X, which is like,
So that one works.
It's
It,
like
it actually does
pretty
pretty good. I don't think you will be doing that much graphing.
Yeah.
In this one, if you learn to use it, may I?
Please.
I love my TI-36X.
It's really good because you can do derivatives. Yeah, here you do your
integrals.
derivative,
Mhm.
and you do integrals, and there is a solver on here. Numeric solver? Yep. And so then if you wanted to, you just plug it into your numeric solver, and then it will pop out the answer for you. So I would recommend keeping this one because it's
Oh yeah,
legit.
it's like the best deal ever.
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess what I'm missing is,
Yeah.
so sine of theta V1, that's what we're looking for, right?
V1, yeah, that's the V initial.
Okay.
That's that thing right there.
And we have X.
We have X, that's the 25 meters. We have acceleration, that's gravity. Cosine theta, that's 5 degrees, and then theta 5 degrees.
So I'm going to see if I did this right.
Sure.
So I was able to plug it in, and I had 0, 4 plus the negative sine of theta velocity initial over cosine of theta velocity initial plus 1/2 times negative 9.8 x squared all over cosine theta velocity initial squared.
Yeah. And the V squared, the V is squared at the bottom as well. What's sine over cosine?
Tangent.
What's VI over VI?
1.
Yay. So that simplifies down just to tangent theta.
Oh, very nice.
Then you can add that up to the 4. That can add to the 4. Well, negative tangent, sorry. You can add that, so that's one number. Then you don't need to do the quadratic formula. Yay! Look at that. Hallelujah.
So now we have 25 squared times 9.8 negative all over cosine of 2 theta, which we have is 5, right?
Yeah, 5 degrees.
velocity initial squared 1/2 times this plus tangent of 5 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, calculator.
So
No,
may
it's
I
not
erase?
erase.
Don't erase that?
Yeah,
Sure.
hold for a second.
Okay, so can I erase this part?
Just
No.
1 second.
This is the one that you have at the bottom.
Wait, don't
Yeah, let me
erase.
look at it
Don't
for a second.
touch. Right up here.
Okay. Four minus plus -4 tangent of theta is equal to, because I brought this over that side. Take that, times it by 2, so you take that 2, times it across, right? I don't like that red. So you take that 2, times it across, so that's 2 times that you brought over, right?
Wait, it's 2 times the across. What do you mean?
So you want to get this 2 away. You want to get that. You want to get that gone. So you're gonna take that. You're gonna bring it over that side. So you're gonna times it across.
Okay.
So 2 times that. So then that 2 comes over here. And then that is equal to negative 9.8 times 25 squared. Anybody?
Oh, that's 1. That's 6.
What is, where was it?
625.
625.
Is
For what?
Oh, yeah. That's
Divided by cosine of
5.
theta, yeah. Oh, you're gonna like this. No, you're not. Yeah, you are. What am I doing? You're not squared. Okay. We can just switch those. Just switch them places, right?
Wait, what about the cosine squared 5?
Cosine squared. Which one? That
Yeah,
one?
what are we doing?
Oh, this one's squared as well. Thanks. Right there. That's the cosine.
Cosine theta is 5, okay.
Yeah. So we can basically, with the rules of math, like x is equal to y over z. That is equal to z is equal to y over x. So you just trade them.
Mhm.
So we can just trade them. Look at that, you guys. We are solving this without any problem. V squared naught is equal to.
And you can just leave the cosine squared?
Yeah. Cosine squared of theta. We can prove it if you want.
No, I believe you.
2 times. I'll take that parenthesis out. -4. I want the tangent first. Tangent of theta plus
Minus.
minus. Guys, we did it. Now we did it. Oh, hallelujah. That was a lot of math, a lot of algebra, a lot of steps. It is okay to not understand it right now because that was a lot of stuff.
Is there a simpler way to do it?
What's that? There might be.
The thing is, we've never done anything like this.
Yeah,
But-
that was just the first thing that came to my mind.
X over cosine t. And the cosine, how'd you. Oy vey.
Wait a minute. So we go from here to here. What is that? Language we're made up or
It's French
French?
for oh my.
Oh my.
But
So-
I made sure it didn't mean anything else.
So we go from here to here. We substituted y for that, and t for that, and t for that, right? And the sine over cosine is that over that. The vi's will cancel out, and the sine, that'll leave a tangent. That's where that came from. Your
Is that a
x.
solution manual?
What? No. Oh, legit. How did they?
It's just on this website called meetyourbrain.com.
Oh, legit.
It's pretty cool.
Really?
That's exactly how they did it.
It saves my big.
Really?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's exactly.
We are freaking geniuses.
Nice.
You're a freaking genius, man.
Yeah.
We're
Nah,
just
I'm
here.
looking at the solutions I
Okay, that's actually what they did. I'm actually really surprised. we started off here, right?
It's just recognizing like
When
what
to
you
use
need to do, yeah.
Yeah.
Hardest part.
'Cause the thing is, I don't want to go through the whole thing if I don't have to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
It's like you have 3 roads to pick. They're like 20 miles long, it feels like. And you want to pick the right one. Or else it's going to suck.
Well, I'm glad to know we at least did that right.